Hi folks, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Tropical cyclone Gabrielle is expected to intensify over the next 2 days while carving a path parallel to the Queensland coast but safely offshore. Its main impact will be rising winds and swells along the exposed southern and central coast ahead of another brutally hot weekend. The temperature range in Cairns today was not especially comfortable, with an overnight minimum of 27 degrees and a top today of 33. Mareeba got to 30 and Cooktown 33 again. To the satellite loop, you can see the nice spiral curvature of Cyclone Gabrielle, classic Category 1 system. It's starting to move southwards, will eventually turn around to the southeast and finally on the weekend pass out towards New Zealand. It won't get anywhere near the Queensland coast, but it will affect the state of our surf, especially around Capricorn and Fraser beaches. And of course it'll also increase the wind, but at this stage not to gale force. In terms of rainfall, there hasn't been a lot today, just a few inland storms and some shower activity along the Whitsunday coast and also around Gari. Today's chart, there's the cyclone in its full glory. Category 1, a little bit earlier than we thought, but there it is, starting on its southward journey. To its south, of course, winds are already increasing. You can see the pressure pattern tightening up, and we're getting winds getting close to 30 knots already along southern and central waters. Tomorrow's chart, you can see the cyclone moves to Category 2. By afternoon, it should be Cat 3 already. And then on the outlook chart, it moves to its closest approach to the Queensland coast. Not close enough to cause any great furore, though, before finally moving off on the weekend. Now the latest from BOM, the boating forecast for Cairns waters, a strong wind morning for south-southeasterlies, 20 to 30 knots tomorrow, but easing in the afternoon considerably. There will be a 2.5 metre swell outside the reef. Almost no wind remaining for Friday and Saturday east to southeast 10 to 15. We have a late morning high tide tomorrow, which at some ports may not arrive until early afternoon. It's not a bad sized tide, but each passing day will see it get smaller. North tropical coast and tablelands, showers tomorrow with possible storms. Cairns 25 to 33 degrees, Atherton 29, Innisfail 33 and Mareeba 31. Looking ahead for Cairns, the next 7 days will be perpetually humid with very warm nights in the mid-20s and the ever-present threat of showers and thunderstorms. And for Atherton as well, hot by day and by night, obviously not as extreme as on the coast, tops getting to 29 degrees. Now it's back to the team.
You're wonderful, Luke. Good on you, mate. Thanks very much for your company. See you tomorrow night.
A reminder, you can watch a replay of 7 News on 7plus and catch up on our page at 7news.com.au. From all the team, good night.
Good night.